Friends, I'm Master Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute balloon cat. How to inflate the balloon. First, give it a little stretch. Then pump it up. Make sure to leave a long tail about 8 to 10 fingers long and tie it off. If you don't know how to tie a balloon yet, don't worry. I'll show you a simple way at the end of this video. Stick around. How to make the cat's head. Twist 2 4-finger bubbles. Bring them together, hold them with one hand and twist them together with the other. Lock twist. Now pull the nozzle through the bubbles of the other side. The head is ready. How to make the ears. Twist 2 small bubbles and secure them. Now let's create the top of the head. Squeeze the balloon to move the air forward the tail and twist it a few times. Tie a knot and hide the leftover tip. Now we have the head and the ears. How to make the neck? Just twist one small 1-finger bubble. Easy as that. How to make the front? Twist 2 3-finger bubbles. Bring them together and twist them into place. Next is the cat's body. Twist 1 2-finger bubble. How to make the back legs and tail. Twist 2 more 3-finger bubbles and lock twist them together. For the tail, wrap it around your hand for a second to give it a nice curve. Look at that. How to draw the face? Use the permanent marker to draw a cute face and some details on the ears. Our cat is finished. We have made a wonderful balloon animal out a single balloon. Great job! And now, as promised, I'll show you how to tie a balloon without using any string. Hold the neck of the balloon with one hand. Use your other hand to stretch it and wrap it around your middle and index fingers. Tuck the end between your fingers and pull it through the loop. Pull it tight and you are done. It's that simple. Give it a try. It's that simple. Give it a try. How to make the dinosaur's head? Twist a small loop twist. Now, let's make a pinch twist. It will support the head and neck perfectly. The head is ready. Next, the neck. Twist a 6-finger bubble twist. There we go. How to make front legs? Now, for the front legs, twist 2 bubble twists. 1, 2. Bring them together and twist them again. How to make the body and back legs? Twist 1 2-finger bubble twist for the back. The back is done. We'll make the back legs just like the front ones. Twist 2 bubble twists. 1, 2. Join them and twist again. Now let's make 1 pinch twist. And 1 bubble twist. Then wrap the balloon around the dinosaur's neck. How to make the spikes and tail? Twist 3 small bubble twists and wrap them around the pinch twist. 1, 2, 3. These are the spikes. Now bend the tail slightly to give it a nice shape. Time to draw the eyes and a smile. Use your permanent marker to bring him to life. Our dinosaur is ready. Let's inflate the balloon and tie it off. Make sure to leave a long tail about 4 fingers wide. Link to the how to tie a balloon without a string tutorial is in the description. Step 1. How to tie the snake's eyes and head. Make 2 6-finger bubbles. Bring them together and twist. Pull the tail through to the opposite side. Now twist a small bubble and make a loop twist. Insert the bubbles into the loop to form the eyes. To support the head, let's make 1 pinch twist. The snake's eyes and head are ready. Step 2. How to make the snake's tail. Wrap the rest of the balloon around your wrist to give it a curly shape. Step 3. How to draw the snake's eyes and smile. Use a permanent marker to draw the eyes and a happy smile. Our wonderful snake is finished. Today we'll show you step by step how to easily make a very beautiful flower out of just 1 long balloon. How to make the flower center. We'll twist an apple twist. Use the index finger of one hand to put the knot inside the balloon. Then grab it with your other hand and twist. Slightly pull the knot toward the middle to secure it in place. Now let's make the petals. Determine the size of the petal and twist 3 long bubbles. Twist them together at the base of the first and third bubbles, and then fold and twist each petal. Straighten the bubbles out. How to make the stem and leaves? Twist 2 pinch twists and adjust the bubbles. Simple and easy. Do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. It's time for a cute bunny rabbit. How to inflate the balloon? Give it a little stretch first, then fill it with air. Make sure to leave a long tail about 8 fingers long and tie it off. If you are not sure how to tie a balloon without a string, I have linked a tutorial for you in the description. How to make the head and ears? First, let's make the head and ears. Twist 2 4-finger bubbles. Lock them together and twist again. Now, twist 2 6-finger bubbles. This will be the bunny's ears. Hold the head with one hand. Grab the ears with the other and twist them into place. Next, we'll create a small neck. Gently squeeze the balloon to move the air toward the tail. Then give it a few twists. Now, tie a knot and tuck the tail and between the bubbles. The head and ears are ready. Now for the body, twist 2 4-finger bubbles. Bring them together and lock them. How to make the paws? Twist 2 small bubbles and lock them together. Then twist 2 more small bubbles, hold them and twist them right under the neck. Tuck in the tail. Thank you so much for your views and comments. If you'd like to support the channel, check out the join button or the links in the description. We truly appreciate your help. The face, finally the best part. Use your permanent marker to draw a cute face and some detail on the ears. Our bunny is finished. Easy and simple. Do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and support us via the join button. Thank you so much. With love, Master Daisy. Bye!